Hi, Brian. I'm kind of scratching my head. I looked at the DWT and it actually looks correct to me. I looked at some of your pages, like your sitemap page, right? I just pulled that one right up and it has the single menu. I'm like, okay, cool. I looked at your home page. It has a single menu. Okay, so far so good. And then I went and looked at other pages just to try. I was trying to dig and find, and I pulled up like the education page here in the Who We Serve folder, and it's got two, and I couldn't figure out why. So I looked in the page itself, obviously, and it's actually embedded twice, and I don't know why or how that happened. I'm scratching my head. But what I'm going to do here, or what you could, I'm just going to quickly fix this for you and put it back up to the server if you like, but just in case you've done a bunch of changes, it should only take me a minute. But in the header portion of the site, okay, put it this way. The menu is embedded or included into an editable region of the page called the header main 2. Okay, that's where it is for all pages. That's where it is for the DWT. But for some reason, in these Who We Serve or these sub pages here, it is actually embedded into the header up above it as well. So it's embedded in the page twice. It's just a simple matter of selecting the first instance and deleting it because we want the one down here. We don't want the one up above. Okay, it'll take me, like I said, a minute to go through and do it. But even in the pages folder where we have, say, the 4-column page right here, like so, I'm going to open that up. I'm just going to scroll down here. There's our contact panel code, and then we have our social icons, and then there's our header top here. This is where the logo and all that is. And then we have no extra menu, and then we go to the header main 2, and that's where the menu starts. So I'm trying to find out, I thought, well, maybe one page that you duplicated and used for your other ones, maybe that was the page. It just happened to have a menu copied in somewhere else by accident, and then you went and made more copies of it. I'm not really sure what progressed, but anyways, needless to say, it's in there twice in some of your pages. Just a matter of taking the first instance out because we only want to have the menu in the header main 2 region. And I don't know why it's stuck. So I'm just going to go sort it out for you, put it back up to the server. But let me show you how to get rid of it. So we go to our education page, and I showed you, right? Let's go to the financial services. And here's what I typically do when I get into a situation like this. I sort of open up the page, put it in code view, and then I just sort of click downwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 times I click down, and then I find where it says header end. Then it says menu top start. I just click on the menu here where it says menu BG, click the div menu background tag, and delete it. That deletes the first instance because the second one is the one we want in the page. All right, and then I go to the next page, government, and I'm going to do the same thing. Click, it'll be at the top. I'm just going to go find the sidebar here, click 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should take me down to about the same spot. Menu BG, click, delete. There's the second one, and I'm just going to keep doing that through all the pages in your folder here and then put it back up to the server.